Shannon, you reminded me earlier that of a thing I say all the time, which is that every business is in the customer service business. We were talking about it pre-show.
Yep.
And we were talking about it pre-show because you have something to add to that about everyone treating everyone, thinking of everyone as a customer.
Yeah. If you're an entrepreneur or if you're the business owner, your customer isn't just your people that pay you money for stuff. This concept is that I believe is everyone is a customer. Your employees, first of all, right? You're constantly trying to attract the best talent, And I remember we had Tech Defenders on years ago. The CEO or whoever, and they talked about all the effort they put into their social media and stuff to attract good talent, right? So your employees are definitely your customer. It's your job, part of your job, to create a place that they can thrive and be productive and do great things, but they're your customer. And I also think your suppliers are your customer, right?
Yes.
You by inverting the concept, the framework of this buyer or supplier client relationship, it really opens up opportunities for you. It saves you money because you get better deals, right? Because your relationships you have with these people, you treat them better. You just there's that law of reciprocity. You get more back. I guarantee if you have a great relationship with the supplier and things are constrained and you needed to get some,
you're going to have an easier time.
The person who's like cool and talk to and they like you and they like to hear your voice, that's who's going to get, get good. And I think it's the same with the people that you hire, like your accountant,